Bless you.
Appreciate it.
Bless you. Bless you.
No worries. Excuse me?
You're excused.
I'm not sure if you didn't hear me because you have tonsillitis or something, I just sneezed.
No, I heard you.
Oh, so you forgot to say bless you, huh? Not a good chance to say it.
Well, you have to count your blessings, of course.
I'm sorry, do you mean I have a minute to how much I can get the nuts?
Noli, why do you always want to be greedy and take the blessing for yourself? It's always bless you. Why not me? I gotta eat too.
No, you just say bless you, no, I just got shot.
Noli, you don't have to, just because I didn't bless you, you don't have to just turn into a banana.
W7 million I ever turned into a banana.
Well, I don't know, maybe I had an extra blessing, I know. I'm not saying it. I'm not freaking saying it, Noli. I'm not freaking saying it. I'm not flipping saying it.